Well, massive, you don't know, so this the bashman Pasa, you know what I mean? But before we flip up through tune, you don't know, so Stone Love is about bigging up artists and things, and we have a little new artist in the house who want to launch out, because Stone Love is a sound like push artists and things. Billy Slaughter, what you say?
Eh?
You ready for go and flip up two tunes past Stone Love?
Oh, me?
Yeah, man.
Me?
Cool and road boy,
Yeah.
I don't know. A long time I watch man I play Stone Love, say you must can flip up two tunes and things, you know, see it? You have to hold your back still, because you kind of shark and things, you know what I say? Yeah, man. Just flip two tunes, give that girl a talk still, you know what I mean?
So me I go play?
Yeah, man, just flip
Me play anything more I play?
Any tune, road boy.
Right. You know how long me want it? Precious! I made it on the sound, you know? Yes! I'm here play now. Yes. Hey! Ati Marie! No! When I hear me, you see all of the girls them from Brixton, Tooting, Clapham, Balham, round so, and come round so. Now watch the face still, you know. You see me, I say, you see all I got, I have some teeth in girl, you know. Well, I've walked on and teeth, man, things I don't want to give man nothing. The one you feel, you know, watch how we flip it.
Bodyguard, you take it easy. We are ramping. You want it easy?
Hey, watch it.
Yo. Hey, take bodyguard, you take it easy. We are ramping. You want it easy? Take the things on. You take my money too. So take body too. Take body too. Take bodyguard, you take it easy. We are ramping. You want it easy? Take the things on. Take my money too. So take body too. Take body too. One back shot, that a for the what now. True lizard black, that a for the door and the brain and the fabric. You want it easy? Take the things on. You take my money too. Bodyguard, you take it easy. We are ramping. You want it easy? Take the things on. You take my money too. So take body too. Take body too. Take bodyguard. You take it easy. We are ramping. You want it easy? Take the things on. Take my money too. So take body too. Take body too. One back shot. That a for the what now? True lizard black. That a for the door and the.
Triton? So why you sitting on me out here? When you come out here and look wrong? Well, on there. I really me lipstick that you have on, girl. You know what? What is clown oversized dwarf I do now me way? Move! Hey, hold on there. I'm a poison perfume, Precious. Me poison perfume. You know how much we poison? Sorry. You think Sorry can't buy frack and lipstick and poison perfume? I'm only when me hustling on little girl. Why you have to always trouble me things, eh, me?
But every night you go out.
Oh, hold on there. Me a big woman. You think I go out, me I go look fun? You think I hide, me I go hide. I hustle, me I go hustle, work. You hear me? Me have to work, the dance them. Saturday night, me have to do Pasa. Sunday night, me have to do Pasa. Monday night, me have to do Hot Monday. Anyway, the jump and knock, me have to do it. Cause that's how me make me little hustling, you know, man. Sometimes me go dance, me I tell you, you know, me throat will dry like a parch can. A man give me a money for buy a beer and me can't even buy it. Me have to palm it off now my pocket to give the girl lunch money next day. And she come about every night me go out. And so me make me little out hustling, you know, $500-600 a night. And so me buy me things them.
Which things that?
You know me talk about my
The little piece of 3-foot table I have catch up in the house. And the little piece of squeaky bed when me tired for you, me say bring squeaky upon.
Thank you, Miss Precious. Thank you, Miss Precious. Come disgrace me in a dance hall. But remember say, if If I never for you, I'm gonna catch further than this in a life. You hear me?
Yes, you'd catch further, you'd buy more frock, cause that's all you use your money and buy.
Listen to me, the ranking girl. You're not gonna come in my yard and back chat me now. You me not keep you in if you rank with me, you're gonna come out. You see him, girl.
I'm not gonna stay, Mr. Brinks.
Oh, hold on there. So, Mr. Brinks, I look after you, and Mr. Brinks, why you there at the yard? Well, all right, go on to him. Go on to him, making care you go buy your ice cream and Kentucky.
Yeah? So who won't pay the rent?
Well, you won't be seeing me anymore, it will be you and him. So when he care you go buy your ice cream, give him some of your ice cream.
No.
She won't like
No,
she a
she
big
can't
woman.
do that.
She thinks she a big woman.
do that.
You know what? Take off my frock, give me. Take off my frock, give me right here, so. Right here, so.
Precious, no. Precious, no. Precious, no. Precious, no.
Take care. Give her a good drive. Take care. She do right, man. She do damn right.
Precious, no. Precious.
Take care.
Precious, no.
Let me take care of now. Give me my friggin' frock.
But I never know say so precious fat.
This is so-called Rasta one, yeah. Me don't know what she laugh about and she not tap walk and teeth people tongues off a line. Boy, girl. What will I know look on? A dance no confidence. Dance!
Pasa.
She miserable, says she's stressed. So me give her some sex. I just loving them a request. Them here say yeah, we have the best. That's why girl I stay out my home and I blow up my phone cause she want the vitamin S. Girl want smoke my cigar and I run down my car cause she want the vitamin S. Girl I hunt
That's right.
cause she want the vitamin S. Girl not take no less cause it put the stress. Them want the vitamin S. Girl in a heat, girl warm and a linger.